What up, everybody? Welcome back. We're back at it. Well, we got off the dyno last night and it was late, and I was trying to fix the brakes on this thing. As you can tell here, we don't have any brake rotor. We got a hat, no rotor. Had some local guy, I don't know what his name was. Sorry if for whatever reason you see this. Had one of the guys at the shop said he had a guy that could cut one down for us, so we went and picked one up at AutoZone, and then he took it with him. He was going to have it cut down this morning to match the KS Tune one that came off the car. So hopefully we'll have that when we get to the track, and then we still got to wire up the strain and stuff. So today they're doing a test day from 8:30 to 5 o'clock, I believe, and then they'll start XDR and Sport and all the other classes to do, I think, one qualifier today as well. And they'll do the qualifiers from 5 to 8 or something, if I remember right. Anyways, I'll get back to you when we get to the track. All right, guys, we made it to the track. We got the cars unloaded and currently moved truck and trailers. We're not pitting with our truck and trailers. And then I forgot some bolts, so I had to come down here, pick them up. But man, it's real sad to think this place isn't going to be here next year. It's very depressing. I mean, you can see the base of the mountain behind me. And here, let me turn you around. I'll kind of show you the scenery here. It's unreal. It's real bad because this is honestly probably my favorite track I've ever been to. And I've only ever been here, I think, 3 times now. And it's just, it's a shame. And you'll see the houses in the background. So here's the highway, comes in back here, and then the drag strip here. And it's right on the side of the mountain. You can see the highway in the background. Kind of goes through this part of the mountain here. But we're literally at the base of it. And there's still a little bit sloped down, so when you're coming down the highway, you can see it. I'll throw a picture in here, what it looks like coming in. But you can see all the little sim neighborhoods out here on the side of the mountain, you know, making this place go away. It's a damn shame. I mean, look, you got kids out here racing go-karts, and it's sad. It's real sad. But so I'm gonna head back to our pit, which we're all the way, you can see the tower side right there. We're on the other side of the tower. It's quite a long drive. Oh, what these, dang it, I didn't see it. 2 cars just went, dang it. But anyways, I'm gonna go down there. I got some work to do on the car, fix that brake rotor that broke mysteriously. And then I gotta put slicks on it, put the belly pan on it. And then Jamie's working on wiring up the strain right now. We'll have to get that going. So let me get back to the trailer, get to work, and we'll get back to you as soon as we get ready for our first pass.
You passed the hard test?
Yes, we did something.
They said yes to you?
Yep, they said yes.
Okay, that's a start.
That's a start.
Come here, puppy. What are you doing? We're out here. We got all teched in, got all of our stuff handled. Cars are, I think, ready. They're going through some of the earlier classes, and they'll be calling us up here very shortly for our first round of qualifying. They're going to attempt to do 2 rounds of qualifying today if they can squeeze them in. But right now we're only guaranteed 1 round, and then we'll go straight into eliminations. Hopefully we get 2. I didn't get to do my license passes yesterday like I wanted to, and since they were only going to give us 1 qualifier, I wasn't going to get my license passes done in time. So we're hoping for the best that nobody kicks us out if we go fast. Hopefully it goes down. At this point, I don't care what it runs. I just want to go down the track, want to go through all the gears, and then get back to the pit safely. So.
This is a vehicle that goes up to travel.
Yeah, the crack's over here now. It's literally right in front of my view. Track's tight. Car wouldn't do shit for a burnout. Wouldn't come up on, like, it was on the two-step, but it just sounded like shit. Didn't make any boost. Launched on no boost. Like, it was soft, yeah. It was spitting and sputtering going down the track. Like, traction control going nuts on that thing.
Second qualifying session in full. Things are looking optimistic according to the powers that be.
Where you got tires at? You good, Bobby?
Yeah.
I said, you good?
Yeah. How's yours look? Right, 870?
Huh?
What was yours?
Mine?
Yeah, 870?
1250?
Nah, bullshit.
Yeah.
Why?
Cause slow.
I thought you raced Jamie.
No.
Oh. Who has that other silver car like yours?
I don't know what his name is. Some local dude here.
You,
went down?
Yeah, you didn't break an axle or pop an axle out?
Yeah. You little ticket.
I win?
You won.
Fuck yeah! I won!
My car got punched.
Basically a win. It's the closest I've been.
Be careful.
How'd it go?
1250?
Oh. It's not an 8 yet.
No. Be safe. You need your net up or anything?
Huh?
You want your net up?
Oh, I can do it.
Okay. Good luck.
Thank you, buddy.
Be careful. Alright, so we made our first round or first qualifier. Car ran a 1235, like 126, had a bunch of fueling issues. It was breaking up a bunch up top. So I'm gonna try and change the plugs and see what happens there. And then Troy, apparently 121 spit a rod off the front of his block. They're loading his carb on the trailer right now. I haven't seen it yet, but he said it spit a rod out the front of it. Jamie got on the laptop, made a couple changes to mine. Hopefully we can try and get it to go a little bit faster. We get one more qualifier, so fingers crossed it goes down. It goes a little bit faster so I don't get kicked out of the field. Anyways, I'm gonna change some plugs. We'll get back to it. Well, silver car wins again. We couldn't get the two-step figured out. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with it. I have the worst fucking luck with this car. It's a piece of shit. Has all the nice shit on it, and it still doesn't fucking matter. Street cars for the fucking win. Fuck race cars. At least front-wheel drive shit. But we're at least gonna go see some racing. We get to watch our boys run. It was a good time either way. Car still runs. It's not broken. It'll pull back on the trailer. Figure it out one way or the other. Good luck. Be safe. Thank you.
Needs to come to.
Good luck. Be careful. Go Goofy. There goes Chance Robinson.
Hazel, Texas.
From Hazel, Texas, aka Kansas City, Missouri. Against Mario. Ooh, this is going to be tough. Is Mario going to run an 8? Come on, Chance. Oh, he's a perfect leader. Slow down, Chance. Slow down. Son of a bitch. Oh, yeah. He didn't want to. That car is bad, bro. Coming up the finals.
Oh, it's semifinals.
Oh, it is semifinals, yeah, because it is semifinals. So this dude gets a bye. And then Javi races Derek.
Yeah, because Derek had the last one.
Dang. Semifinals coming up. We got Javi, Derek. We are back from Colorado. Got the red car home. Had a good time, all things considered. Had lots of failures, lots of things happen that slowed us down on the trip there. Troy's car breaking down, all that stuff 3 or 4 times. I don't even know if I mentioned it. The windshield getting cracked in the Civic, the axle breaking, just anything that could go wrong did go wrong, and just very, very frustrating. Got some things we need to figure out to get the car back on track, and hopefully making full pulls under power and not dealing with a bunch of weird shit working in the background as field tech. But great time, met a lot of people there. It was really awesome. But that's it. Hope you all enjoyed. Go over and check out Brent's video. It's going to be awesome. And thanks for watching. Keep following. We'll see you on the next one.